Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel UI Ninjas. So in this video I am going to discuss about JavaScript variables. A JavaScript variable is simply a name of storage location. It can be used to store any type of value like string, number, array, boolean, etc. Every value that you store in JavaScript uses a name that is known as variable name for storing and referencing purpose. We use JavaScript variables. There are some rules while declaring a JavaScript variable that is also known as identifiers. So first is name must start with a letter or underscore or dollar sign. After first letter we can use digits 0 to 9. For example, where 1 is the variable name. JavaScript variables are case sensitive. For example, small a and capital A are different variables. A variable name can't be reserved keyword. They should not include any special character like dollar, percentage or at the rate except underscore. They should not contain spaces. They should not start with a number. They should be a unique, not used by other variables in the code. They could either be camel case or lowercase. The value of the variables are allocated using the assignment operator like equal symbol. We can declare variables in JavaScript in three ways: JavaScript var keyword, JavaScript let keyword, JavaScript const keyword. In JavaScript, variables can be declared automatically also. Keywords can be defined simply as word predefined in the programming language. It has its significance and can't be used as variable name. It has a special meaning and a function. For example, here we use the keywords like var keyword, const and let, and a, b, c are the variable names. So what is var keyword? It is an outdated keyword in JavaScript. We can't declare a variable without var in older browsers. The variable declared using var can store variable values during the program execution and can be redeclared anytime. And const keyword, it is a keyword used to declare constant variables whose value can't be changed throughout the program. Next is let keyword. It is a newer keyword for declaring variables whose values can be changed. In this, a variable can't be declared multiple times. However, they are declared once in a program. They can't be redeclared. The var keyword was used in all JavaScript code from 1995 to 2015, but the let and const keyword are new that were added in JavaScript in 2015. The var keyword should only be used in code written for older browsers. So here is the first example of JavaScript variable. Here we start code with the script tag, and in between that we use the var is a keyword and a is the variable name, equal is the assignment operator, and 5 is the value of variable. So we can declare three values. Next we take var keyword, then b is the variable name, equal is the assignment operator, and 10 is the value. So next we apply the operation like a plus b goes to c. So we print this c value, document dot write, and variable name is c. So that prints the value c. So take one example. Open the Sublime text editor. So first we start code with the script tag. In between that we use var keyword, and a is a variable, equal is the assignment operator, and given value is 10, semicolon. Next we use the b variable name and value is 5. Next we use the operation c is equals to a plus b. Here we print this values to add a plus b in the c variable. Save this code and see the result on the browser window. This shows the result 15. This value shows 15 that goes in the variable c. So thank you. If you like this video, so please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. In next video we will discuss about const and let keyword in detail. Keep watching and happy learning.